So this is the command I typed to push, and I've pushed to table 2. It was a success. So let me shift to this side. I want to check my GitHub. Let's check that branch. Okay, this is my GitHub. Now, since we use this to this table 1 to have main, when we push to table 1, we did not see any message like this because it's now our main. You understand? So now
Yeah.
when we push to table 2, we are now having this message to compare and pull.
Compare and pull.
Yes, but we are not going to. If I click here now, a problem. So if I go now to check table 2, let me check table 2. I've clicked on. So if you check table 2, see what you are seeing there. Table 2 and its content. Let's check table 3. What we are going to see is just the readme. So you see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
So we are
yeah,
going
yeah.
to table 3 now. Let me open the instruction. Instruction is the same thing. I just want to open the table. Let's see. Okay.
This
Full
this
name.
is a vertical table.
Full name. Olisa Macaulay. Okay, I think this is just full name, course ID.
I was saying that this should be
This
just
is a vertical.
personal. It should be unique because
I
there's
think
no way we can have all the cohort members in one table like this the way it is arranged.
yes, 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 yes. It should be unique. That's true.
We can actually, but I guess this is personal table to everybody.
Yes, but it's not going to take us any time. Let's just run it now. Let's just run it. It's not going to take us any time. I have to git branch. Let me see the branch which I am. I just like to do this, not that I don't know, but so that people can relate with the commands. So git switch. I'm switching to table 3.
Okay.
Then I can still do git branch again to see I'm in table 3. So I can do clear my screen, and if I go to this, you see these two things are now cancelled because I'm in table 3 and it doesn't have it. Now let me go back to table 2, git branch table 2.
This switch
Git
or
switch, sorry,
git
git
branch.
switch table 2. I want to see how this thing will change to
Okay,
active.
To be active now.
Immediately,
it's back. It's back.
immediately.
To be active.
So I'm going back to table 3, and immediately it shows me there's nothing there. So what I'm going to do is create my starter template. Let me know. I'm going to create my files. New file. Table
Table 3
3
HTML.
.html. Enter, and I'm going to give it a starter, and I'm going to give it
Table 3.
table 3, and I'm going to create its CSS.
CSS.
Table 3.css. So we go to table 3.html. We have our table, and inside the table we have table row times 3. I think we have just 3 table row times 3. Let me check.
Is the table head part of the table row? I think it should. Okay, yeah, okay, you're right. You're right. Okay, the table head is actually vertical, not horizontal.
Yes, but like I said,
The vertical table.
everything in table is row horizontal. There's nothing you do
Yeah,
vertically. So you come here now and
yeah.
you do the first for this first row. What we have for this first row is the full
Uh,
name, My first
Full
name,
name, yeah.
last name. Okay. So if we come here, what we have for this first row is the first thing is T head. Sorry, what's this? TH, which is full name,
Name.
and the second one is TD,
TD.
It should be your surname, right?
full name. Let me just start with my Terence Onyeweke
Okay.
and TD again. You can just anyone, you can use your surname as the first.
Mhm.
Okay. And
Say Terence who?
I don't call that name before you call me Ikwere. Then the second one, courses. It starts with table head,
TH.
Yeah.
and it's core
Courses.
courses. And we have the table HTD, sorry, times 2, and the
Full
full
stack. And then the next one is
full
engineering.
stack, and the next one is engineering, and this last one will be TH
Courses again. TH. I
core.
think it's just you could have just copied
Okay, it's
them.
the same
That
thing.
second one is the same. Yes.
You're almost done now. You continue doing what you're doing. You're almost done. It's not much now. Okay.
This table should say Skyline no go tell us so for do something different. Anyways,
No, we didn't tell us make we do exactly what you need.
no problem. Let me now view this. I want to view this in browser. Okay, it's fine. So let's do some styling. Let me link my CSS somewhere. Where do I link CSS again? Is it before head or after head?
Before before the closing
I
tag
know
of the head.
before closing tag of
Before
head.
the head.
Okay, after title, right?
Yes.
Okay, you know anywhere you link it, so long as it's within head, it's still going to work.
Yes.
Link
Okay.
CSS, and the name is table 3, and save. If I highlight, hover on it, I have this. So I can even bring it to the bottom if I wish, so that I can be typing and will see everything here. So
Okay.
I can go to this other one, the former one I had, and copy some default styles, table, and the container table. Well, I don't need the container for this one. Let me just copy a few of this. Control C, Control V, and save. So you see what happened? I just copied this. Just copied
Yeah.
my table styles, and once I pasted, it was there. But now it's full screen because I have container here, whereas I don't have the container div here. So what I'm going to do is these things now. Control C. I'm going to give it to body of the table. Sorry, to the table. I'm sure there's no heading here on Skyline's own. Okay, there's no heading.
There is no.
It's no. This is caption.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. I
Had
don't
it
know
been I had a
anything
heading,
about
I would have given it a container so that that heading will follow suit.
it. Mm.
Okay. And now I can delete the container because I'm not going to have a container for this. And I can delete this too. I don't have H1, and I can save. So I now have it in the middle like this. So let me put a caption. Go to my HTML.
Is that border all round or just border
Um,
bottom? I think it's looking like it's
it's
what
all
is
round.
border bottom.
It's
Mm.
it's all round because I copied from second table and the second table had all round. It's all round.
Okay.
Caption What was the caption even? Look at it, it's all around. Let me check. His
Okay.
own too.
It's not all round. This is not all round. I don't think it's
Okay, it's
border
not all
top.
around.
Okay, that one is even border top. That one is
It's
border
not
top.
all around. Not around.
It's not all around.
I think it's border
Yeah.
top.
Is it top? Okay, top.
Yeah, that's
You
top.
get eye, I don't know. You get eye. You're trying.
I dey chop tomatoes well now.
Let me go to my CSS. I'm going to go to. It's here, right? It's here.
Yes.
Border minus top. Save. 1 pixel solid something. But let me just check what we have here. Oh, that looks good.
Yeah.
Looks good. So our caption. What should we have on the caption? Student course
Student
outline.
course outline.
Caption. Student course outline and save. So we have this. This is our screen, and I want to use his screen like this. I just want to be seeing all of this, no matter how small. It's too small, Sha. It's too small, no problem. So this, I'm going to style it now. This one doesn't even need styling again. Let me see.
Just that caption that needs styling.
Exactly.
Just the caption that needs styling, right? And
Yes.
okay, that's all. That's just the caption. So let me go and style the caption. CSS. I'm going to come here and do caption. I'm going to give it padding all round. Let me just give it maybe top and bottom of about 10 pixel and 20 pixel for left and right.
Check your first piece. You use yes. This is okay.
And I save. Then background color of orange red or orange. Okay, then I'll give it a margin too, because I think it's not touching the table. You can see.
Yeah, and a border radius too.
Yes.
Yeah.
Margin of, let's say, 20 pixel. And border radius of 10 pixel. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to give it a width.
Yes.
Width. Let me use fit content. Let me see if I can just align it like this. Text align center.
What about align items? Can it work?
No, it will not work. Align item works in flex.
No, Magneto.
I know. Let me use I'll use margin, but
I don't know.
yeah, that's what I'll do. Wait, if I use margin auto, I've already given you margin here, but let me see what happens. Margin auto. Okay. Now
Yeah, but it now overrides the
now
margin,
override
the
this. So
general.
it
Yeah.
now overrides the general one. So Control X. I'll bring the general one now under and tweak it the way I want. So I'm just going to give it
And it has now overtaken
yes
that one too.
bottom.
Mm.
Yes. Sounds good, right? It looks good, right? I think I should give this thing a width rather than
Okay, yeah, give it a width and give it margin also.
no. It's aligned, but I think it's short.
Yeah, I know.
Okay,
I
so
know.
let me see.
Yeah, make it bigger. Just give it a width and then use the
Increase
margin
the
inside.
width. Increase the width.
Width of 300 pixels and save. Not fit content. Fit content was just fitting it. So let me see. Let me see from Skyline stuff. Is it okay?
Let's see the one we are working.
It's okay. It's okay.
No, it's not okay.
It's okay.
No, you need to increase it because
Let's see the
Touching this
let's see
touching that
the
blue.
blue
Yes.
protocol
brown.
for
I need to increase because it's touching that blue. I'll make it to 400. 4. So it's something like this.
Uh-huh.
It's
That's
okay.
good.
Then.
That's good.
Yes. Color
Okay, and
white.
another thing, font color.
Yes,
Yeah.
color white. Color white. If I come here, they don't have the same font family, but I think that's not a priority, right?
Yeah, no, it's not important.
Um, I think that should be all.
Let's see ours. Okay, yeah. Yeah, think that's good.
That's all. So I'm going to
yeah.
I'm going to go to README
Hmm.
and
What's the caption of this again? Students what? Students
students course outline.
okay.
Hold on, let me check something. Students course outline.
Francis, I are super big. Super big in
Now
reading.
why I ask for the caption, make I don't go talk rubbish. Okay, table three. Table three contains
Wait,
the
let me
course outline.
wait, let me write the table 3 first. Table table 3.
Table three contains the course outline. Contains the course outline of each student. Of each student in cohort 11.
Let's leave it like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Save. It's saved. So I'm going to push to the third branch. So let me say ls.
Yeah.
This is hey. Okay, it's there. I'm going to do git add git commit and same commit table 3 completed.
I was going to say, Mr. Terrence, why does your own terminal? I don't know if it's just mine. Why does it do autocomplete? Mine doesn't do that. I keep
It's
typing
not
it to
Windows. I'm not using
start to
Windows.
finish. But is there anyone here that uses Windows that theirs does autocomplete?
Nope, 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 nope.
Now, wow,
Enough,
nah,
enough, enough,
like,
enough.
Yeah, switch.
we go put this your Linux, we go switch to this your Linux. Person go they type everything.
And
I get tired some. Oh,
git commit.
please continue.
Okay. Then git push or just complete again and change it to pushing to table 3.
Go see flex.
Well, I think you can set that at your keyboard setting. No.
Are you sure? I don't know.
I,
This
I
one is
don't
not keyboard.
I don't think it has anything to do with the keyboard. It's just
It has not pushed
I
yet
think
though.
okay.
Okay, when it doesn't push like
No,
this, when you get this error, no, it's network. Couldn't resolve
mm.
github.com. That you cannot see github.com. No, it's network. So okay, done.
Are you sure they've not switched our network, in Imo? Okay, it has pushed.
That's push. Let me go to my GitHub. Okay, so
Uh,
branch 3 now also has this.
this 6 minutes ago. Is it? I don't think this is the recent one.
This is not a recent one. Let me refresh this. Branch 3 is updated. Now I have to.
Yes.
Table 3 had recent pushes less than a minute ago, and table 2 had pushes this. So should I merge?
Sorry. No, I beg go. I beg go.
I decrease.
Before you go explain tire for main group.
So that's all with the assignments. That's all.
So now, you said you are going to explain how if we want to just copy the code
Okay,
and
let me
use it
stop.
as
Let me
out.
end.
How
Let me explain before I end the recording, right?
yeah, do that.
Okay. Now, if you want to copy this code, once you enter my stuff like this, you come. I'll send
Yeah,
my GitHub username. Once you enter, the first thing you do is
yeah,
you come and star it.
okay.
Don't star
No, we
it.
go do it for you.
Don't star it.
We
You
go
come
run
and
am.
follow me. That's the first thing you should do.
Yeah,
You come and follow me, then you get to the branches. This is branch 1. You come to code
yeah,
and download zip.
yeah.
When you download zip, let me download it. See, this is. I want to download. Let me put it on my desktop. On my desktop. What's this? Save. Okay, I've downloaded it. This is it. Let me open it. Show in folder. Normally, I've just
I don't
downloaded
think
it.
we are seeing that. Okay, we're seeing it now.
This is just normal download now. When you click on code, you download. So this is the
Yeah,
file for table 1.
yeah.
This is it. So if you already have this file, I don't think somebody needs to tell you what to do again, right? You
They
can just
tell us
copy
what to
this.
do.
If you've created your 3 branches, on your system, when you are on branch 1, just copy this and this. Just in fact, you can just forget about readme because you must have it. Copy it. Come to your system where you have your repository. Where is it? Where did I even save my repository? Obedient text space. Obedient text space. Then Skyline repos. Then this is it. You open it and paste. Then you go back to your
Yeah,
terminal and git branch. If I do now, see what is showing in my repository now, in my folder. You understand? Table 3.
yeah,
Because I'm on branch 3. Let me do git switch to table 1. enter. See, automatically changes to table 1. You don't even notice.
Yeah. I
Understand?
noticed it. I saw it.
So you paste the code for table 1 here. Then now you go back to git
Yeah.
switch table 2. By that time you must have created your 3 branches here
Yeah.
and online. Then you switch to table 2. See, once I'm pressing, if I press enter now, look at these 2 here. This one and this one. They will now change to 2. Look at it. You see,
Yeah.
immediately. So
Yeah.
that's telling you that this folder is branch 2. Go back to my branch 2. Yeah. You understand?
Yeah.
Open like this. You now come to code again and download it. Zip.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
download like this. You open it as well. Open it. You can extract it. If my own system, I can copy without extracting. I don't know about your own. It's been long I used Windows. You copy it. You don't even need to open the files one by one to copy the code. Just copy
Yeah.
everything. Control C. Then you go back to your system. Make sure on your terminal you are on branch 2, so that it's going to change.
Yeah.
It's going to reflect branch 2. Like, so that it's going to refresh this thing to branch 2. You paste the code here, because by that time when you come here, what you have here is just readme. So you
Yeah.
paste what you've copied from me, from my this thing, what you've downloaded here. But make sure you extract,
Yeah.
remove the files and paste. So I think it's that
Yeah.
simple.
Okay, I just have to add something also. For those that want to do this, also remember that you also have to clone with your own token and
Yes,
GitHub repository.
yes. Remember,
And then
when you first of all create your table 1, create these ones online. To clone, you have to clone it with your repository as we did with on the video, everything. Then what you need to do now is by the time you need to start creating your files, since you already have the files somewhere, you can just come and download, copy the files and put.
yes, and
I will need,
also
till we're
what
done with the assignment, I will need some help in creating those branches because
we
I tried
we
creating
have
them.
we
I don't
have
know
the
what to do.
video. Don't bother.
Okay.
You have all the help you can get on the video. But if you can't relate to that, you can still post it on the group. Engineer Maxwell is always there.
Engineer Max is 247
I'm
available.
stopping the recording now.
Sometimes
Okay.
I will send you message, you
Also,
not reply.
sorry. Also, I need to also add this. For the sake of most of us that will just copy the code and paste. When we do that, remember that his
Read me.
caption no, not just your readme. Your caption has to be changed to our own username and password and passcode. So
Okay.
we don't submit your. So we can go to VS Code and change that. Just the username and
But wait,
passcode
this
before
last
we.
this last table we created, the caption was different.
Your own, it was still your username and passcode.
Ah,
Yeah, the second table is the one that has the H1. The third table just has a caption. Yeah, that's the third table.
where is it? Okay, so it's not
I'm
going
looking
to
at it here.
it's not going to be my username and password.
And Terence,
Oh, okay.
I
Yeah,
think you should
yeah.
have
It
it.
doesn't
You
have.
should
It
have it.
doesn't. You should have it.
You
I
should have
think.
it. You
I think you should have it.
have
Okay,
it.
you
Your
did not
username
add it.
and
Yeah,
password.
it's true.
Escape my
You did
mind.
not
Yeah,
add
you
it.
didn't have it.
Okay, let me come to my VS Code and I'm going to switch to table 3 because I want to work on it. See, it's cancelled here. So I'm going to git
Yeah.
switch to table 3 and I have it activated. Table caption. You
That should not come as the header.
caption
The
username. I'm going to replace that caption we have there. Username.
Mm.
then put that one as the header now.
I'm
No,
not
he
I
did
putting.
not
I'm
mean,
give
not
any
putting it.
header for that one.
Ah,
Username,
You didn't
okay,
give,
Terence,
yeah, you
so
didn't give any header. It's just the
okay.
caption.
and what's my passcode?
Have you forgotten? Should I call this for you?
Yeah, please call it. I've never had it in mind even. I've never
Let
memorized
me let me get it.
pass.
Just give me a minute. Let me get it. Tab message. Okay. Your passcode is. Have you written the normal
Yes, pass.
pass?
Yes,
68377.
68377. Save.
Yes.
I want to view it on my browser and see. Okay.
Okay.
Username Terence. Passcode this. It's fine.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I'm going to
So
end this
please,
recording.
I'm saying this now so that someone will know. Anyways, it's AI.
Well,
AI. Okay, it will still mark it. It will
Terence,
still mark it correction.
I can hear you, Maxwell. Hello?
Mr. Max, can you hear me? Kindly go on and speak.
Is he there?
It could be network.
Okay, I'm just going to end the class so that it doesn't get too long.
Yeah, I'm also ending my own recording. Mine is now 2 minutes 30 seconds, then 2 hours 30 minutes.